I'm making one of my favorite Vietnamese street food, which is called bò lá lộc. You can also find it in 7 courses of beef. It's made with juicy grilled beef wrapped in fragrant betel leaves. So let's get started. Marinate 1 pound of ground beef. I like to use ribeye. Add garlic powder, mushroom powder, shallots, garlic, and lemongrass. Season it with sugar, black pepper, finely chopped betel leaves. Mix everything together. So here's what a betel leaf looks like. You're gonna want the shiny side to be brushed with a little bit of oil. Place a spoonful of beef on the dull side, then roll it towards the stem. Then pierce the stem into the roll to hold it in place. Or you can thread several onto a skewer. However, I like to use this method. Now, betel leaves can be very difficult to find unless you grow your own, which I do. I personally like to use a grill, so brush oil onto a grill, but you can easily use a cast iron pan as well. And you want to cook it on medium-low heat. Lay the rolls down like so. Now, if you don't have betel leaves, you can substitute it with perilla leaves, and you can find perilla leaves in your local Korean supermarket or Japanese market if you have one near you, or you can just plant your own betel leaves. So you want to cook this until they're slightly charred but still green, turning to brown on all sides. What I love about betel leaves is that they give off this incredible smell when you cook them. Once they're done, they should feel nice and firm. Next, make your scallion oil by pouring hot oil into chopped green onions. Then you're gonna garnish your betel leaves with scallion oil and a sprinkle of crushed peanuts. You can serve these as finger food, or my favorite way is with vermicelli noodles with Vietnamese herbs. I particularly love the fish mint leaves and Vietnamese cilantro, which is also called rau rum. Then perilla leaves. This is what a perilla leaf looks like. And I like to eat my vermicelli noodle salad with cucumbers and carrots. Place your betel leaf rolls in the salad and then pour fish dipping sauce all over. Now it's time for a taste. Mm. Mm. This is the taste of Vietnam in one bite. Thanks for cooking with me. I'm Cindy Lorimer. Don't forget to follow me for more delicious recipes.